Click this video because you want to learn about putting an ear project together for a client or yourself. I'm going to be doing mine on my iPad today. But you can do it on most devices. My client today likes white gold or titanium. Then for the gems, they like purple, pinks and blues. I'm going to click on the Junipurr app, then click create at the bottom. And this is like the basic. You can edit this ear if you want, but we are uploading an image. So the ear at the top right, and then we're opening that up. These are the ear projects for the same client that I did on the other ear. We've just done two, but I'll probably do another one. I'm gonna use this ear now. We're gonna make it the size that we like. I might add dangles, I might not, so I might give it just a little bit of room. Excellent. Perfecto. Then you can see the search bar. Just beside that, there's a little yellow dot. If you click that, you can click white gold, rose gold, whatever you want. Then the one beside that, you click that, and you can choose out of the goldens, the gemdens, the rings, whatever you want. So today we're going to click on the gemdens, just for now. And all of a sudden I can see everything and it looks pretty cool. I'm going to click some pieces that I want to put on this ear. I quite like these two pieces. And I like this piece and I like this piece. Can't go wrong with a plain prong. Then Gabby, the Trinity one, there's a lovely pink piece there. It's looking like we need a little bit more purple, I would say. There's this lovely purple triangle. I like this piece with the two pieces in it that we want to incorporate today. Then I'm gonna add in, I think he might be nice down here, in there like that. And you know what else? I think he would be, oh, come here. I think he would be quite nice in there. So this client's left the little ring in the third lobe, so leave that little dude there. He's quite cute. I might stick him. No. I think he's gonna look cute up there, to be fair. Oh my god. This would be quite lovely underneath it. All depending if the client fancies another piercing. I can always ask. I think that's quite lovely like that. So we need some other colours here. I think the bottom lobe project here is going quite lovely. We're going to add some more colour into here since the client likes colour. So we're going to move, might put it quite low. I think that'd look quite cute in that little gap. Then I'm thinking, I quite like this dude. I want to put him somewhere. Yeah. I might be swapping around so the blue is at the bottom. Come here. Stop being silly. There we go. I got you. Right, so I think that looks pretty good so far, guys. What else are we going to add? Maybe this piece, because it's quite a short piece, but it's also not like an actual shape, like the shell down the bottom, so it doesn't clash. Yes, I think that's quite cute. I would wear that ear. If it was my ear, I'd have that. My cats are having bath time. Right, I'm going to save this. For some reason, the Junipurr website doesn't let me save it by pushing this button, the arrow down in the top corner and saving it to my camera roll. It just doesn't work for me. So I'm going to screenshot it. It might work for you guys, it might not. Probably it's killed the quality, and I've got these little flip and little handbag in the bottom corner, but what can you do? That's cute. So guys, I've showed you how to do an ear project. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.